Hello guys, welcome for the tutorial for the F-16 with me, the Papa Doeng. So this tutorial is going to go over how to start the F-16 with on how to use it and taxi it. Right. So first off, we remove the steer and let's get in immediately. You press X to go into first person. Then there's a canopy. I recommend you to close the canopy when after the start is done. So let me increase my volume. So let's start with the engine feed. Switch it to normal. And then below the throttle there's going to be like a switch. It's on the battery one and we should switch it now. Then turn on jet fuel. Right, so if there is a green, if there's going to be a green part right here, and there's going to be 3 green here, it means that it is available and we're ready for taxi. But since the avionic is not turned on, we're not able somehow. I don't know how to describe it. We're just not able. So there's going to be like maybe like 12 switches here. Actually, it's 14. No, it's 12. Yeah. Uh, just turn them all on. Their use is for the engine and the canopy and the avionics. So if they're all turned on, all the switches should be going up, as you can see right here. Then you should see in the back. There's going to be a few more switches. That's the main switch for the avionics. So turn the 4 switches first, and then the right one. There's going to be 2 switches. Then there's going to be like a spinny thing. I forgot what it's called, and just turn it to normal. Since now it's normal, the screens are turned on now. Here we have our radar, and here we have our ATG mode. So to turn on the HUD, it's fairly simple. You just click this button and it's turned on. So on the left there's your speed counter. On the right there's your altitude counter, which is current 12 per sea level, and then there's our throttle. Our throttle is going to increase, depends when you press W or not. Then on the final thing, we can close our canopy, press C. Right, so it's closed now, and we can just press the throttle, which releases our parking brake, and we now can taxi. So to taxi with the F-16, you can taxi using A and D as it's your rudder, as I'm doing it right now. You can use your compass, which is on top of the HUD. It shows you where the aircraft is heading. Like we're currently going west, and then after that we're going to turn into the runway, which is we're going to go east, and lining up runway 17. So we turn east and we lined up with the runway. Yeah, so that's how you start up and taxi to the runway with an F-16. This tutorial is for the Indonesian Air Force. It's mainly for the Indonesian Air Force, not promoted with any group. If you in case has seen this aircraft in any group, it means it's leaked. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful.